People spoke about fourth IIR. What is it that artificial intelligence can inform us on policy making? We follow the policy cycle. There are things in policies that can change automatically. How are we putting technology into that? All social media, Facebook, and everything else. What came first? What I remember is Mark Zuckerberg sitting with senators telling them how to regulate himself. But here we are. We've negotiated the rules of origin for everything in Africa. Rules of origin for what? I was told that the best way to supply ICT, it should be cable-based. Yes, now we have Wi-Fi and everything else. And I'm asking myself, countries as vast as Rwanda and Nigeria, how big will those cables? We should be leading the issue of driving ICT that is wireless, but we are not. We are all have tapped. I see trenches every time. At least now we don't travel because of COVID. But everywhere you're told they are laying cable. But there are vast countries. Look at the DR Congo, very big country. I wonder how they will lay cable across when they don't have a road that crosses from east to west. So these are the things that look at it. The word innovate is very big. We need to think not outside the box, but we need to think as though there is no box, because after all, who told us there was a box?
We have to look at innovation in a very inclusive way and cross-cutting in a manner that is also relatable by ordinary citizens.
What is also needed is a focus on trade facilitation that must include measures to reduce red tape, simplify custom procedures, and providing the necessary support mechanisms to integrate African small to medium enterprises and large businesses into regional and global value chains.